Hello children. Now see, up to now how many letters we have studied in alphabet? 3 letters. Yes, A, B and C. Today we will see the letter D and the words that will begin with the letter D. Okay. Now see, this is the capital letter. Yes, we have 4 lines. What are those 4 lines? Capital line, waistline, baseline, tail line. Yes, capital line, waistline, baseline, tail line. Always how we will write the capital letters? From the capital line. Yes, we'll begin the capital letters from the capital line. Now, standing line and left curve. Capital D. Yes. Now, this is small d. How you will write? Standing line and right curve. Okay. Standing line and right curve. This is small d. This is capital D and small d. Capital D, small d. Don't write on the tail line. Okay. Now, what is the phonic sound of D? D sounds D. Yes? D sounds D. D sounds D. D, D, dog. Yes? D, D, doll. Okay? Now see here some pictures I have written here, drawn here. See what is this picture? Duck. Da, da, duck. Yes? Da, da, duck. Yes? The duck will begin with which letter? D. Da, da, duck. This one? Dolphin. Da, da, dolphin. Da, da, dolphin. This is dog. Da, da, dog. Da, da, dog. Donut. Da, da, donut. Da, da, donut. This one? Drum. Da, da, drum. Okay? Da, da, drum. Da, da, drum. Da, da, donut. Da, da, donut. Da, da, dog. D sounds da, da, dog. Da, da, dolphin. Da, da, dolphin. Da, da, duck. Da, da, duck. Okay? This is a capital D and this is small d. Capital D, small d. Now see your textbook, that is World of Letters. Okay? World of Letters and page number is 3636. Okay? 3636. Now see here. What are the pictures given? See, this is the small d. Okay? This is the small d. How you will write small d? First, standing line and again right curve. Okay? Sorry. See here numbers were given. You have to trace these dots. Okay? And write down. This is small d. Okay? Now, see here, what are the pictures given? What is this picture? Duck. D, duck. Duck sounds which letter? D. D means which letter? D. Okay? Duck means which letter sound we are getting here? D. So, D will come here. Okay? D for duck. Now, see this picture. Which picture this is? Dolphin. Yes? Dolphin. Dolphin. D means which letter? Which letter sound you are getting here? D. Yes? So write down here D. D for dolphin. Now, what is this picture, children? Deer. Yes? Deer, deer. D. Which letter sound we are getting here starting? D. D. D means D. Deer. Okay? Now, see this picture. Which picture it is? Dog. 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 D. 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 Which sound? Letter? D. So, D. Now, who is she? See, who is she? She is wearing stethoscope in his, keeping in his pocket. Who is she? And she is wearing apron. Doctor. Who is she? Doctor. D. D sounds which letter I told? D. So, D. Doctor. D for doctor. Now, this picture? Drum. Isn't it? Drum. Drum. D. D. It sound which letter? D. Which letter? D. So, D. D sounds D. So, drum. Okay, D for drum. D for duck. D for dolphin. And D for here deer. D for dog. And D for doctor. What is the sounding, phonic sound of here? Letter D. 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 Okay. Now, see this picture. You have to draw a line here. Okay. D. D for duck. Isn't it? Now. Okay. Like this. D for dolphin. Yes. D for drum. Yes. D for doctor, yes. So draw a line here. D for dog, yes. Again D for deer. Okay. Now, see here. I can draw. Okay. You have to draw here any picture that will begin with the letter D. And read, trace and write. You have to trace these letters. Which letter is given here? Small letter D. Okay. Now, and write down here. Okay. So, children, here, today which letter we have studied here? D. Okay. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Phonic sound of D, D. Phonic sound, D. D sounds which letter? Sorry, which sound? D. D sound, D. D for duck. D, D, duck. D for dolphin. D, D, dolphin. D for dog. D, D, dog. D for donut. D, D, donut. D for drum. D, D, drum. Hope you understood this video, children. Thank you.